Hello and welcome back to Brompton Microadventures. I am Fernando, a traveler on two wheels, always looking for new places to explore. This is the final episode of my journey on El Aceite Green Nature Trail. Today I will be riding through the last few kilometers of an open countryside, making my way to Puente Genil, where I will complete this incredible route. As a new day begins in Zuheros, I take an early morning walk through its peaceful streets. The village is still waking up, the air is fresh, and the narrow streets are filled with plants. I start riding my bike on the last day of this journey. I roll downhill through the quiet streets of Zuheros, taking in one last look at this beautiful village before continuing the route. I am now riding along the route, surrounded by the remains of the old railway. Along the way, I pass bridges and tunnels, reminders of the train that once ran through this path. These structures, now part of the landscape, blend history with nature. As I reach the end of El Aceite Green Nature Trail, I look back on the incredible journey through history, nature and endless olive groves. From the charming villages to the remains of the old railway, every moment on this route has been special. Cycling through these landscapes has shown me that travel is not just about reaching a destination, but about everything along the way, the places, the people, and the stories that bring the journey to life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this ride, make sure to subscribe to Brompton Microadventures. See you in the next one.